I just want to give you an idea if you're curious about the size of this freezer and how much can it fit.
Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas.
Hey YouTube, we are back with another video. So my previous deep freezer broke and I'm not even mad. I had her for a very long time. And so I had to order a new one. And this is the new baby. So this is her all boxed up. I just wanted to show you guys how she came, because you know I like to give you a good view. I know it was on this side. FedEx delivered it, and it has like, I guess somebody was trying to like, I don't know, kick it with their knee. I'm not really a big fan of that, but that's like the only dents and stuff from the boxing. I ordered it from Walmart. I'll leave a link below. But yeah, let's unbox this baby. I'm going to not show me unboxing it because that's just, it's annoying. I'm going to come back when it's unboxed and we're going to look at it. Okay, y'all. This is she unboxed. I feel like it's a little bit smaller than my other. Yeah, definitely is smaller than my other, but it's fine. It's alright. So this is the 5 cubic square feet. And this is how it look inside. I definitely wanted the dent because my old one had the dent. So I'm happy about that. It has wheels, which I'm excited about. It has like a temperature of how cold you want your stuff. And it has a power on thing, so I'm happy about that. And then this is where the extension cord is hiding. I gotta cut that, but I like that it has a little, you know, if you ever gotta move or whatever, you could just put that back in there, you know. This is the specs, and yeah, I'm just loving these wheels, like loving these wheels. All right, but let's put this against the wall and actually put it on. But yeah, and this is the box. I had to like really break down the box, but it's empty. So yeah, all right. Okay, so it's been plugged in since Tuesday. I was kind of scared to put stuff in it, but I don't know if you guys could see like the white. Now it went away, but it has like white smoke from it being so cold. Trying to get like a little icy. So I'm gonna stop putting stuff in it today. I just like to give it a full like day or two to get as cold as it needs to be. But yesterday it did some weird stuff. Like yesterday this light went off and like I PTSD, okay? But it came back on by itself. So I was like, does it cut off to not like get too cold? I don't know what that was about, but I just got this thing. Like I said, I'm going to link the deep freezer on this video also. This is the brand, and yeah guys, we're gonna see how this baby lasts up. I do have 2-year warranty on it from Walmart, so it has no choice. Okay, what I want to show y'all also is all the stuff that it could fit. So now I actually have this deep freezer filled up. I was not playing no games whatsoever. It is filled, okay, not all the way. I feel like I could fit a little bit of more stuff, but I just want to give you an idea if you're curious about the size of this freezer and how much can it fit. So over here I have 2 things of ground lamb because I just love me some lamb. These are my sausages that I put in a Ziploc bag. Actually, I need to throw this away, but these are like my little egg bites, but it's not the Starbucks brand. It was the Costco's brand, and this was horrible. I don't like it. Too cheesy. Some croissants that I need to make so I can breakfast prep, some biscuits, and I have some ground chicken. So all of that fits
into this little thingy, right? So let me take this out. Boom, bada. No, but alright. So I have vegetables, frozen spinach, frozen shrimp, cut up peppers, ready prep peppers, 2 racks of lamb, some more vegetables, Nathan fries, another one of these nasty cheese things. I have, it was a big bag of wingettes that I had in here, but I opened them and then I just put them in a Ziploc bag. This is lamb chops. I'm trying to replace pork with lamb because pork is not good for you. So if you're wondering why I have so much lamb, it's because the girl is trying to get it out of her system. Bow wow. Ground turkey. Lamb chops. Alright, don't judge me. These is ribs. Okay. Don't judge me. These is ribs. More lamb chops. I have pie crust here. Ribs here. Another thing of ribs. Because I bought like the whole 3-rack ribs from Costco's for like $30. And then I cut it up individually myself. And that's why I have so many ribs. But these I bought, that was just occasionally that type of thing. I have a bag of wings. That's all the way at the bottom. Fresh from the meat market. This is boneless thighs. And what else? Oh, this is... And this is another big bag of wingettes. And I think that's... What is this? Oh, this is my sausages that needs to be at the top because I'm going to forget about them if they're not. And yeah, that is all the stuff that fits in this big giant deep freezer. Well, it's not giant, but like it's giant for me. And yeah, guys, I just want to give you an idea of like all the stuff that you could fit in this deep freezer because sometimes the videos just don't be enough. You actually need somebody to like go into detail of things to put. But yeah, back to the video.
And yeah, if you think about buying this deep freezer, here's how we look in real life. It's next to my little water cooler thing. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. Comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys on my next video.
Let's cheerio to another video.